for your words, sir, and especially emphasizing on the sustainable, eco-friendly energy solutions. And our company is trying to do lots of it. And other companies present here will also take this valuable input of yours, sir. Thank you. I humbly invite Shri Sameer Swaroopji, Director HR, to share his thoughts as a part of today's event, please.
Respected CMD, Chairman Institute of Engineers, Dr. Ranganath, Shri Praful Chandra Tiwari ji, my fellow directors, CVO Saab, Secretary Institute of Engineers, senior officials from NNCIL, other organizations who have joined here, and dear engineers. It's a great privilege and honor to be amongst a galaxy of engineers who are the stalwarts in the mining and the power industry. As CVO was telling, there are 2 or 3 non-engineers on this dais. So at least, though I cannot write ER before my name, I can write HR after it. So HR is always behind the engineers. We are always there to support you, to give you strength in taking whatever companies, whatever jobs which you are supposed to do, we are there with you always. As a consumer, though I cannot contribute much in the technical field, as a consumer, I definitely want power. I want fossil fuels mining till the renewable energy becomes in such a way that it caters to all the needs. So fossil fuels are there for the next 50 years, 60 years. And as a consumer, as a citizen of the country, we want electricity, we want steel, we want aluminium. Everything, all the industries are running with the help of power and which is coming through our fossil fuels. I cannot give you technical inputs again, I am saying that, but I can give 2 inputs which you can take forward in this sessions, 2-day sessions. The first is, please discuss on the safety aspects, how we can use the technology to improve our safety awareness, the safety of our people more while mining. Though in Neyveli, our processes are much better than in, say, other coal mining areas. But still, since you are discussing on the entire mining sector, please dwell on the safety aspects, how to use technology to improve mining as well as safe working. And as our CVO and Director of Finance has also told, that the second input has to be based on making the mining more sustainable to the people who are staying nearby, who have been displaced or who are staying in our neighborhoods, so that their lives do not get disturbed by our mining. I would like to wish this 2-day seminar, 2-day conference all the best, and may you get whatever inputs, whatever higher inputs you want for improving the mining industry. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your valuable words, sir, and especially the fact that HR is always behind everybody, and that's a very important aspect. Thank you for those words, sir. I humbly invite now Dr. Suresh Chandra Sumanji, Director Mines and Director PNP Additional Charge, to share his thoughts as a part of today's event.